Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or something. Whatever it is, link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. All I gotta do is click the link, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. And we got Father's Day coming up, so you might want to start planning for that. And we got something good in here. Oh, baby. Here we go. Oh, okay. This is coming from my good friends over at XGody or Goody. They are on Amazon, so I'll have my affiliate link in the description. I think they're still on Amazon, so either or, both links will be safe to click. Ooh. Oh man, they taped this up good. Secure packaging. Good job. Whoa. Oh boy, got a little dinged up. But this is a XGody whale TV. I caught a whale. Whoa. Kind of looks like that Johnny 5 dude from Short Circuit. Gotta have input, you know? LED source. Prime Video, Disney, YouTube TV. So, oh great, it's a gimbal. Oh, gotta love those gimbals. Yeah, buddy. You can watch every show, all the sporting, NBA Finals tonight. And they got NHL Stanley Cup playoffs. And of course, good old WWE, UFC, boxing. And like I said, every type of TV series that's on Netflix or wherever you watch your shows from. Maybe it's on the Peacock. But definitely take advantage now of the sales they got going on. And hopefully you can secure one of these bad boys. Something went off. Oh, it survived. That's for sure. Okay. I got some stuff in here. Oh, this is pretty sweet. Yeah, I used to work at movie theaters and stuff. I'm not a fan of going to them anymore. But this will do really well down in my basement. I worked at Showcase Cinemas way back when they were around. That was fun times. Let me tell you. That was during when that Showgirls movie came out. That's when I was working. So that's how many years ago that was. The good old days. But I mean, that was pretty good. It's different, that's for sure. Quick install guide. Definitely a different world we live in. So, I could dig it, you know? You just gotta adapt and be safe, you know? You'll make it. We got some lens cleaners for the lens. It should have the cloth clean it. It all depends. You get the power cord right there. So there's no brick size HDMI right here. And now remote control. This is a tiny remote. Probably AAA batteries. So Amazon has good ones. If you guys want to buy them from Amazon, they got really good AAAs. I don't think they come with it either. So, but like I said, make sure you stock up because the holiday season's fast approaching. You got the Disney Plus, Prime Video, YouTube, Netflix, talk. Now let's take a look at this beast from the east. Here we go. I'm going to think about doing a test run once I set it up downstairs. Or maybe up here. Oh yeah. I'm not sure they have different colors, but right now this is the white version. Okay. Whoa. This is pretty cool. Oh baby. I'm liking this one. Great for PS5, Xbox, play some GTA 6 if it ever comes out. We got Gimbal series, 1080p projector. It's gotta be speakers. One HDMI, one USB, IR. Yes, and there's power. So I gotta do this is like tilt it. I'm not even left-handed, but we'll work it out. Yeah, okay, so that's how it goes. There's the speakers right there. Very nice. Take a look at the front. Ooh. Ooh. Really. Definitely a unique design. Got one eye right there. And now we're going to be hooking it up downstairs. Or probably up here. Give me a minute. Alright, YouTubers, here we go with the XGody gimbal. This thing is amazing quality picture. You guys definitely should check it out. Right now we got the little spotlight on, so that's why it's kind of different. But, I mean, you can watch movies, sports, TV shows, you name it. I thought I was going to be screwed up because of the projector's size was huge. Loading it up, but then the autofocus made it perfect, so definitely check that feature out. Simply amazing. Now I'm going to shut the lights off, and here we go. Look at that. Really clear picture. Great for video games. GTA 6, if that ever comes out, will look amazing on this screen with this projector. So I'm not sure how many inches that from that table to there, but whatever it is, it looks amazing. So definitely check them out. Like I said, they got Prime Day deals going on now through Father's Day, so if you want to get your pops something different, this is a great one to get. So check it out, they got sales going on.